Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for book writing. First, open Canva and navigate to the Create a Design button. You'll find various templates for book covers and interior pages. Choose a template that aligns with your book's genre, perhaps a mystery novel or a children's story. Remember, Canva offers thousands of free and premium elements to enhance your design. This initial step sets the foundation for your entire book's visual presentation, making the process straightforward and enjoyable. Now, let's focus on your book cover, the first impression for potential readers. Canva offers thousands of professional templates. Pick one that truly captures your book's essence. You can upload your own stunning images or explore Canva's vast library of millions of photos and illustrations. Experiment with different font combinations for your title and author name, ensuring readability. Remember, a captivating cover can significantly influence a reader's decision, so take your time to perfect every detail, making it visually appealing and impactful. Moving inside, consistent interior page layout is crucial for a pleasant reading experience. Canva allows you to set precise margins, perhaps 1 inch on all sides, and adjust line spacing for optimal readability. Design chapter headings and body text with a cohesive style, using a maximum of 2 or 3 complementary fonts. You can also add subtle design elements, like small decorative flourishes or page numbers, to enhance the visual flow. A well-formatted interior keeps readers engaged from the first page to the last. Finally, it's time to prepare your masterpiece for the world. When exporting your book cover, choose a high-resolution PDF for print or a JPEG for ebooks, ensuring a minimum of 300 dpi. For interior pages, export as a print-ready PDF, including bleed and trim marks if your printer requires them. Always double-check all elements, from text to images, before finalizing. Meeting your publisher's specific file requirements, such as a 6 by 9 inch trim size, will ensure a smooth publishing process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.